Kareena Kapoor Khan is one of the most stylish actresses in Bollywood, and she keeps her fans updated with what she's up to through her social media posts. Well, Bebo is not only admired for her roles but also for her fashion sense and that glowing skin. Let me tell you guys, Kareena is not that person who believes in using fancy skincare masks or spending hours on beauty sessions. She prefers a simple routine with products straight from the kitchen cabinet. The actress revealed her beauty secret in an interview. Can you guess it? What could it be? Kareena uses honey as a DIY skincare ingredient. Yes, you heard it right. She firmly believes it cleans and softens the skin. Now, I'm sure you guys wanted to know how to use honey in skincare DIY recipes. Just mix a teaspoon of honey with rose water and multani mitti. Apply this mixture to your face and neck, leave it for 15 minutes and then wash it off. This will help reduce redness on irritated skin and remove dead skin cells that cause the skin to look dehydrated and dull. Or there is another recipe you can try. Make a massage oil by mixing 1 teaspoon of honey and olive oil and applying it to the skin. Gently massage the mixture and then rinse it off after some time. It will help the skin get rid of dryness. Apart from this, Kareena follows the CTM method, cleansing, toning and moisturizing every day to keep her skin dirt-free and hydrated. Another beauty rule, Bebo believes coconut water is a great source of hydration and provides various nutrients like potassium to the body. So she makes sure she has it in her diet. For more such videos, like and subscribe The Health Site.